Okay, so today I'm going to use my Brother F420 to do a couple of buttonholes. I have already selected my design, number 57, and up here you'll see that you've got quite a few to choose from. There's 57 and it goes up until 66. So a couple of beautiful designs that you can choose from. What I'm going to use it for is I'm going to create a lace up at the back of one of my dresses. This is instead of eyelids, and it's very important to fuse your fabrics just to get a better result. I've fused my fabric, I've folded it double, and now I'm ready to go. Just one thing that I want to point out is something I didn't know is that there's a little lever up in the machine right here, and you have to pull it down for this buttonhole function to work. And then this foot, this is where you'll place your button to know how big the buttonhole should be. I'm not doing buttons, so I just placed my finger there to get more or less a 2 centimeter dimension. So from here it's really easy. All you do is press go, and then it will do the buttonhole all by itself. You really don't have to do anything. You just wait for the machine to stop. Look at that. Look at that. And then once it's done, grab a scissor, it cuts the cotton for me. Now let's look at it. Perfection. So beautiful.